The industrial action that was supposed to take place was called off after Northern Ireland Foreign Minister Chris Heaton-Harris agreed to meet with union representatives. Unison and NIPSA members working within the healthcare system were required to attend Monday's action, and a similar action took place today after the Department of Health announced it would not be able to offer salary. Representatives from Unison, NIPSA, the Royal College Nursing and the Royal College of Midwives will meet with the Secretary of State on Wednesday. Children protest outside the Northern Ireland office over cuts to education funding. Commenting on this development, Rita Devlin, director of RCN Ireland, said, "Nursing staff working in Northern Ireland are angered and frustrated by the ongoing lack of clarity regarding a payment offer for medical staff Ireland. Deteriorating conditions experienced by both patients and staff in their areas." After meeting with the Department of Health earlier this week, we went no further and urgently requested a meeting with the Secretary of State. We are pleased that Chris Heaton-Harris has now agreed to meet with the RCN and other health unions. It is clear that absence devolved institutions has had a devastating impact not only on staff working hard provide health and social care to people of Northern Ireland, but also on services themselves, much which has led ongoing political stalemate. Ms. Devlin added that it was scandal that we came to the end of the fiscal year without a new budget for health and salary hike for health workers. Last year RCN members in Northern Ireland voted to go on strike over pay, along with their counterparts in England and Wales. He continued, "We are clear that this would be completely unacceptable if they were not offered at least the same salary as nurses working in the UK too. Our members. The reason our members went on strike for the first time in 2019 was precisely because they were out of pay parity, and they will be ready to accept it again. If this situation is not resolved immediately, we will consider what other measures we should take, including a strike, so that our members are not left behind again." On the basis of this meeting proposal, Unison sought confirmation that such meeting would be a genuine commitment, and would result in negotiation to produce meaningful proposal that they could take to their members. The union said they expect nothing less than this engagement and will not back down from and will continue with today's strike action, but the health committees are ready paused 24-hour schedule for next Monday to allow talks happen. Patricia McKeown said, "Our members' determination to step up their strike action today and again on Monday finally got the message across to those in power. Health workers in Northern Ireland will not be left behind." The mood the strikers in Belfast Town Hall this morning, outside the Secretary of State's office and in Northern Ireland, is one their absolute commitments to securing their rights. They never take industrial action lightly. They care about our health and social services and people they serve, but they are on the brink of abyss. Their message is now equally clear: it has to be real or the strike action will escalate.